Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you your string numbers and names. On all string instruments, we number the strings from the highest pitched string to the lowest one. So this string, the one that's closest to the floor, is string number 1. The second string, which is one up from the floor, is string number 2. The third string, which is 3 up from the floor, is string number 3. And the fourth string, which is 4 up from the floor, close to the ceiling, is string number 4. It's somewhat confusing on the ukulele because of the reentrant tuning, meaning that this string here is slightly higher in pitch than that one. We also have a little mnemonic device that is pretty traditional with the ukulele. It goes like this. You won't ever forget it. My dog has fleas. But we created one that makes it a little easier to remember the names of the strings, and our little mnemonic device goes like this. Goats can eat apples. Goats can eat apples. And then the letters go with the names of the strings. G, C, E, A. Enjoy! Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching!